Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today it's going to be a little short video. I'm going to be doing a cough remedy. My mom, when I was little, used to mix this up for me. I had the croup when I was little a lot, and the coughing was pretty bad, and this always cut the cough. Daniel, he's had a cough for a little while here, and I mixed him up some, and it has seemed to quiet Daniel's cough down. Onions, do your own research. They are really good in vitamin C. They're an antioxidant, and there's a lot of good things about onions. So let's mix a batch of this up, and I'll show you what to do. Okay, this don't have any measurements, just I've cut up some onion. And I'm going to put a little bit in a jar. And then I'm going to take sugar. I'm sure you could use honey too. And I'm going to just pour it over it and make sure the onions are covered. Do another layer. Just keep putting a layer of onion and a layer of sugar. Just make sure the onions are covered. Okay, making a mess. Now, I'm just going to put a lid on this, and I'm going to let it set for 12 hours, and then all I'll do is drain off the juice, and you'll have a cough remedy. You take a couple teaspoons every time you have a cough, and it sure has worked for Daniel. And it used to work for me. That's what my mom's go-to was. We'll be back in a few hours when this has started working. But it's best to let it set like overnight, 12 hours. Okay, this is what it looks like after about 4 hours. We're going to let this set overnight, and in the morning I'll drain it. But I need to get this video up, so I'm just going to show you. This is my last batch, and that's what it looks like. You take about a couple teaspoons if you got a bad cough, and it'll help you. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and come back and see us.